Sadly, the last couple of years, we've had a lot of inflated crap. And I will tell you right now, my approach is one of two things. And ultimately, it does end up working, but it can be very frustrating. It's one of two things. First, I try to be as forceful and belligerent as humanly possible in arguing my point with the lenders, with their negotiation team, and not letting them just brush it off and treat it like it doesn't matter. I get about as loud about it as I possibly can with the vast majority of them. But the backup idea is I simply let them know I will unconditionally push off the foreclosure date as long as it needs to be until we can get a real appraisal that's done by somebody who didn't get their appraiser's license out of a fucking Cracker Jack box. And I say it that exact way because I really don't feel like having people play games. They do play games. The exact same unconstitutional inflation that caused the prices to surge in the first place also caused the prices of 100% of all forms of home improvement in all 50 states to increase by 35% or more since 2020, without exception. Without exception. There are zero exceptions to that. Even the people that I pay to mow the lawns on my properties have increased their prices by a bare minimum of 35% since 2020. I just paid $13,000 for a roof that I would have paid about $6,000 for before COVID.